Now let's turn the piece over and you can see this is a purl stitch. The pattern is different. The purl stitch has a lot of bumps. Same thing as we did in the knitting side. We slipped the first stitch without knitting. Now let's start to purl. As with the knit stitch, you hold the working needle in your right hand and the needle with the stitches in your left hand. The yarn is held and manipulated with your right hand and is kept to the front of the work. Insert the right needle from back to front into the first stitch on the left needle. The right needle is now in front of the left needle and the yarn is at the front of the work. With your right index finger, wrap the yarn counterclockwise around the right needle. Draw the right needle and the yarn backwards through the stitch on the left needle, forming a loop on the right needle. Slip the stitch off the left needle. You have made one purl stitch. Now let's knit a couple of more purl stitches in normal speed. Repeat these steps in each subsequent stitch until all the stitches have been worked from the left needle. One purl row has been completed.
Yeah!
Congratulations! You just learned how to knit and purl. Next, you can just keep knitting until you get your desired length.